Hey, assalamu alaikum everyone. Welcome back to Luna Classic Update today. A new month is upon our head. Today is the last day, and tomorrow we start July. But not only do we start a new month, but we also start a new week. So that's a very good conjunction going on. A new month and a new week on the very same day, right? So less than 14 hours. We're just 14 hours away from the next new coming week. And I'm personally still bullish, right? I'm still very positive on the market, and especially Luna Classic is still really down, really cheap. And yes, so at this point of time, as I said before, so many times, this has come down to one particular trend line, right? So we do have this support level for you guys right over here, right? So if you look at this, this is your nice, good little bit of a support going on. The next thing is you have a green candle that is about to get printed. So this green candle is an important candle. So in 14 hours, I do hope that we end up having the green closing, because if you have the green closing, this red and this green is going to signify that we are going to start to pull back one more time. Now, I'm not really bothered if it doesn't really go next week or not. Yes, based on the time frame, I know patience is one hard pill to swallow. But the thing is that you must have it. You still must have that pill, because that's the only pill that will really help you. Previously, I made a video as to why you should be excited and not be stressed out with what's going on, because things are still at an opportunity level. I'm going to say this because at some point I'm going to stop saying it. At some point in this channel, I'm not going to be able to say the same words as I'm saying it right now. So many people, whether they like to listen to this one or not, but eventually in the future, I might be playing these videos back and saying, hey, you know what, I feel bad to say I said so, but I said so, right? And the thing is, again, on the daily time frame, you're really trying to get above here as well. You're making a little bit of a bullish rectangle. So if you go back on the 1 hour time frame, we're just making a bullish rectangle, but for some reason we're still not finding that power to continue to go to the upside. Okay, so if you end up breaking above here, then your next technical target is actually coming up to 9600, and that's where you're going to have your first target. I do expect 9600, of course, but we do have a lot of liquidation points, and I do believe that you have liquidation points up here, especially up here as well, and even all the way back up to 1700, somewhere right over here and right over here as well are the places where I do expect the prices to move in the future. So that's all for the video, and I'm going to see you in the next one, office.